Good morning, guys. My name is Grovet. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install OBS screen recorder or any other screen recorder you want. As you can see, my terminal is open. I'm on the net already. Don't worry. You can simply go online and search OBS screen recorder for Linux. Don't worry. I will leave this description. I will leave this link on the description below. Okay, so let's go. This is what we need first. We take it. Okay. We paste sudo add repository ppe OBS project OBS studio, and you input your password because you're making use of sudo. Linux users, you can understand. Okay, it's installing, it's requesting, hit enter to continue. Okay. It's taking a little bit time. Network, okay, boom. So the next, you need to update. So to run your update, sudo apt install. Okay, sudo apt updates. This update will sync in the repository we just downloaded with this file, with the system root. Okay, boom, update is done. The next thing is sudo apt install OBS studio. Yes, thank you. It's going. Boom. Okay, it's installed. So is it terminal? I'm using Linux Mint. Ubuntu is still the same thing. OBS, is it? Click on it. It opens. Would you like to run auto configuration? For now, I would say yes. Allow it to run the auto configuration. Optimize streaming and recording. Secondary optimize for recording. I will not stream. Depending on what you want to do, I will not stream, so I'll go on next. Auto configuration. Next, I suggest you just leave it with the default. The result is now executing. Test to estimate the ideal settings. Testing, recording, encoder. This may take a little time. 80. 90. Boom. Okay. The configuration user. Okay. All settings. Apply all settings. So that'll be all. If you want to learn more, you check out the next video tutorial. When I have time, I will make more. Yes, that'll be all. This is just for installation. Thank you.